display all about showcasing this advanced fly-by-wire system, which essentially gives the pilot carefree handling. So a lot of the flypaths you'll see will go into a very high pitch rate of somewhere in the region of 40 degrees per second. The pilot backsticking the aircraft without any concern about over-G'ing or overstressing the aircraft. The aircraft is named Ababil for the Qatar Emiri Air Force after birds that are mentioned in the Quran that threw stones to protect the Kaaba, a building at the centre of the Islamic holy site of Mecca, in the face of an attack by an elephant army from the kingdom of Aksum. But what we have here is very much a state-of-the-art combat asset, part of Boeing's Advanced Eagle family, based on the F-15E Strike Eagle for the US Air Force, so in two-seat configuration. The first of the line was the F-15SA for Saudi Arabia, of which we've got one in the static park here. Timed that 360-degree max rate turn a couple of days ago, and it came out at roughly 17 degrees per second, which was very, very little difference between the clean jet version, which was turning at just over 19 degrees per second.